Welcome to another mock test. Today we have Kashif and he is preparing for the road test. So when is your test, Kashif?
Next week.
Next week? Okay, so we are doing a mock test. Let's start. So we are starting the mock test. I will give you instruction. If we are going to turn right, I will tell you to turn right, and if we are going to turn left, I will tell you to turn left.
Okay.
And if I don't say anything, so you have to go straight.
Okay.
So let's start the mock test.
Now start it.
On the first street, turn right. On the first street, turn right. On the first street, I want you to make a right. On the first street, I want you to make a left.
Stop.
On the first street, turn right. Now do parallel parking behind this car.
Okay.
That's nice. On the first street, I want you to make a right. Now turn right here.
Okay.
And you can park it here.
Okay.
Okay, so the mock test is complete. There was few issues. I will discuss that. So the first one, when you are doing a stop on the four-way stop, you just stop for 1 second. So you have to at least stop for 3 to 5 seconds.
Okay.
And then after that, if it's safe, then you can proceed. And after that, there was one more thing on the yield sign. When there is a car coming from the opposite side, you have to fully stop. When the car go and you think that it's safe, then you can proceed.
Okay.
So yeah, remaining the test was good. I think you need little bit more practice and then you will be able to pass the test. So what was your how was your experience while you were driving the car?
Well, like whenever if you are going for, let's say, a test, then you must have your own car. This is my suggestion to everybody.
Yes.
This is not my car, so that's why there is a little bit difficulties to move on the road.
Yes.
But if you have your own car and you practice on that, definitely you don't have any issue on that.
Yes.
And second, the test was overall good. Like there was not any, I didn't feel any issue, and I'm 100% confident that I'm gonna pass this time the exam.
Yeah, sounds good. So yeah, do a little bit more practice, and I hope you will pass the test. You were a little bit confused, but it's normal. Everybody will be confused when they are doing their test for the first time. Thank you so much for joining, and you have a nice day.
Thank you.